So I broke the rules and created one of the most beautiful roses I've made to date. So come on, you can break the rules with me. You gotta try this one out. So simple, easy to do. I'll show you everything that I did to create this. Okay, we're gonna try out a new technique, and I don't even know what to call it yet, but we're gonna give it a shot. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my resin in, and this is heated up to 34 degrees Celsius, and I'm just leaving that little bit left in here, and I'm gonna add white to it. Probably just a drop. I don't think I'm gonna need much. And we will stir that up. I needed something bigger to get in there and stir. That's probably gonna be pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I might give this another minute to heat up. No, it's hot enough. It's hot enough. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this white and with my toothpick, I'm gonna start, well, I might hit this with the heat gun one time here. So, I guess I'll do a rose technique and see what happens here. You know, you can make your petals any way you want. Just try to make sure you get your blobs out. But you can wiggle them. Like that. And just try to make yourself something pretty in your shape. Now, I'm sure somebody has probably tried this before, but I haven't, so I'm going to. I'm just making my own petals here. Try to get it all the way around here. And put one little bit in here. And one more little bitty over here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drop some blue and some magenta. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. This is just a see what happens thing. And we don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe we'll do a little more. See if we can get it. Maybe we'll try a different color. Maybe we'll try some different colors here. Why not, right? I don't want to do yellow green. Let's try. What's this one? We'll do cerulean blue. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with the heat gun, and then I'm going to leave it alone and see what happens. Okay, I put this purple background on here, dropped a piece in it. Oh, oh man, check that out. Oh, yes, we are definitely doing this on the live tonight. Oh, the colors. Oh, I really like it. Oh, it's so pretty. Hold on, I'll bring you into the light. All right. So here it is in the light. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I swear I think it's the best one I've done so far. Be a rule breaker. Try this. Absolutely stunning results. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Love you all, and have a great day. And I will see you Thursday night on Creations with Tanya in her video. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.